Simple, effortless, and accessible are not words typically associated with perfectly painted nails.
This, on the other hand, is something we're all too familiar with.
But what if you could get a flawless manicure at home, on your schedule, and without having to lift a finger? It's not a hypothetical question. It's Nimble, the first ever smart device to flawlessly paint and fully dry your nails. Nimble scans the size, shape, and curve of each individual nail, while a tiny robotic arm seamlessly applies the polish. Each nail gets a base coat, 2 layers of color, and a top coat. An airflow system is activated between each coat to simultaneously paint and dry your nails. Life doesn't have to slow down for beauty, and neither should you.
What if you had a desk that worked for you? It knows you, and it's ready to work just the way you like. It knows when you've been sitting too long and tells you to stand up. It keeps you synced with your team and sharpens your mind to help ideas flow best. It anticipates when you're hungry and places an order of something you'll love. It encourages movement to help you focus throughout the day and even finds you the time to relax. It stays in harmony with your body to keep you healthy and fit. And at the end of the day, it's got the fastest way to get you home. what if I told you that this isn't the office of the future, but the office of your new everyday? Say hello to the AI-powered SmartDesk 3. Say hello to a workspace that works for you. Welcome to your new smart office by Atmōs.
What if you could make your own hard seltzer at home and take all your wildest seltzer dreams and turn them into delicious fizzy reality? Now you can, with the UK twist from Growlerworks. Add ingredients, carbonate, and enjoy.